Learning goal number 6, last one. I can graph ordered pairs and use them to represent and solve real-world problems. So looking here, we just want you to realize that these numerical patterns can be written horizontally or vertically, and we'll show you what that looks like. So looking here, you're going to notice that this is the vertical way that we can show it, and we're just going to add 4 each time. So 1 plus 4 equals 5, 2 plus 4 would equal 6, 3 plus 4 is 7, 4 plus 4 is 8, and then 5 plus 4 is 9. Now we're just going to show what that could look like with our coordinate pairs then. So we have 1 and 5 would look like this now, 2 and 6 would look like this for the horizontal way, 3 and 7, 4 and 8, and then 5 and 9. So now we know from the last learning goal how to plot these points. So then what we would do is want to just plot these starting with the first one. So we have 1 and 5 there, and then you should start seeing a pattern here for 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8, 5 and 9, and then, oh thank you, we have a nice ruler here. Oh, and sorry, me being a lefty, I like to do it this way. And so now you can see, whoops.
Yours will be a little more
yeah. Whoops-a-doodle. All right, so basically, I think I just went through all those steps there. I just did it automatically. So now we want you to pause and try this, right?
Yep.
We're pausing here.
Yep.
So looking here, you're going to notice a pattern here with a shrub and how it can grow. So
Yep.
you're going to write the 5 ordered pairs here and then graph them. So take a moment to do that, and then we'll show you what it should look like.
Okay, so we've got our table here. So the shrub 0 is 0 feet tall. 1-year-old, 1 foot tall. 2 years old, 2 feet tall. So you can see the pattern. So hopefully your ordered pairs look something like this. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Now our next step 5 is to graph the ordered pairs. So my first one is going to be 0, 0. Second one, 1, 1. This one's really easy to graph. 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. And then I'm just going to draw my line. And notice I can actually extend it beyond because it will predict then what's coming next. So it says here, what does each axis represent? So that's asking, what is this, like on a table or a graph, and what is this? So the x-axis is, if you remember, our x is our age. So this would be, all I'd have to do is put down age in years, like was labeled in the chart. And then the y-axis is the height. So over here I would have height in feet. So I guess I didn't write it here. I wrote it over here. If you wanted to say x-axis equals age, y-axis equals height, that would also have worked. So that was, hopefully you guys were getting that one right. The next step is we want you to try this next page. You're going to try, thank you, this one on your own. So 6, 7, and 8 you're going to do on your own. And I'm going to just quickly talk through it, and then I'll give you one little thing for the one after that. So in 20 minutes, a dripping faucet leaks 10 milliliters of water. So your first job is to fill this chart in. Then turn that chart into ordered pairs, like we did before. And the only difference between this and the other one is it just flips that way. You can certainly flip it this way if that helps you with your ordered pairs, thinking which one is the x and y. It also tells you here. And then what amount of water would you expect to leak in 90 minutes? So this time you're going to take your graph and just kind of extend it like I did in the last one, and then see where it would end.